Happy Vlogmas! It is Saturday, December 9th, so it's the 10th day of Vlogmas for us here because, yeah, this is the way I've worked it so that y'all see this on the 10th, so it's the 10th day. But I am opening Advent number 9 because it's the 9th. Yeah, I keep getting that wrong in my head. I just went to grab my Advent from Nina and grab number 10, and I was like, no! I had to keep looking at my watch to figure out what day it is. I've got some cinnamon rolls in the oven. So if y'all hear that humming, I'm sorry. The oven's still not completely, like, it's still kind of exposed above and below. So the sound and stuff kind of has a hum. So I've already got, the pizza last night apparently dripped on the bottom of it. So I need to clean that out. And I'm not happy because I've already messed up my new oven. Anyway. I am Hope here at Crafty Hope and taking you on this ride of getting ready for Christmas and all the Christmassy things and what I'm doing in the month of December right now. I got my Christmas tree all lit up this morning, and that's my husband's doing. I think he likes it just as much as I do because he was like, I can't believe you can turn the tree on. And I was like, oh, you can turn it on. And he did. So anyway, I'm gonna open Advent. He's out there working on our bikes, our e-bikes that we got the other day, because I think we're gonna take him for a ride this morning. So after breakfast. So he's out there getting the seat just right for me. He put my old seat on, but the post makes it like 2 or 3 inches higher than the other seat was, which means that for a short girl, 2 or 3 inches is a lot. So he's trying to get that all fixed for me. In the meantime, I'm making breakfast and gonna open, oh, here he comes, hold on. Okay, he is situated now. So let's go ahead and get Advent open and I'll take you on the day as things progress. So first things first, my Arteza Fine Art Advent calendar. So we've got to find day 9, right? 9. So 8 was there, there's 10, 24, oh, 9. So 9 is right here. Let me see this one. It's another long, skinny one. Let's get a little more leverage down here. There we go. This one is so tiny. I don't know. The one next to it is too. I see another round one too. How interesting. Oh, I tore that all up. Yeah, that one's not in such great shape. Maybe if I punched in instead of pulling out. All right, I've got the ribbon. Let's see what comes out. Ooh, oh, a pen. Okay, let me see what this says it is. It says it is a microline pen. Oh, I do love a good microline pen for doodling. So let's take a look at it. This here just says Arteza is an 025. Yeah, it's their 01. So here is that tip here. Right there. I'm just gonna throw it wherever. Oh, gracious. Clumsy me. All right. So that is a nice little pen. That will definitely get some use. All right, and it's also day 9 of my Advent swap. It's a mixed media swap that Nina Fickett and I are doing. I will link her below. She's got another one of her handmade tags with one of the adorable pine cones on it. Oh, and that slipped out nice. Of course, the dog's gonna bark. And I can't yell at her because I can't do that on camera. So, and this, it's funny, this has little dogs all over it. So how cute is that? Maybe that's what Zoe's working at. What have we got here, Nina? Just staring into, ooh, this is some kind of watercolor paper, y'all. All right, there's a note. So I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna see. This says, really lovely watercolor paper and 3x5. Thought these would be fun for my cards. Oh, maybe these would be fun for like my iCAD cards that I'm doing up at the gallery. So yeah. Thank you, Nina. So this is passing it on. This is something that she had in her stock that yeah, that she's also giving to me. So these will be fun to play with. I need to go look and see what I sent her today. I have an idea again. And just like yesterday, if I forget to tell you, I'll put it down there, what it was. But let me, I'm gonna go, how much time have I got on the timer? All right, let's go to my office and we'll take a look. Okay, so yeah, what I sent Nina was also from my stash thing, and it's some rusty bits, all kinds of rusty things I've collected, and then there was some rusty wire that, yeah, I think I bought online. So I had a couple rolls of it, and I sent her one. So I hope she enjoys it. And I'm gonna get on with my day. I'm gonna, yeah, start getting the stuff out to finish up the cinnamon rolls. I will see y'all in just a little bit. Y'all, while Pat's been banging away and you're working on the whole oven situation, so while he has stepped out for a moment, I decided I was gonna pop y'all on and talk about what we did. We took a bike ride. I may have gotten a couple of videos in there. I'm not real sure what I got. I haven't looked at it yet. It was hot. It was a hot day. It's almost 80 degrees here and humid, so it was, my hair is like yeah, super humid and hot. So we did just over half an hour, and that was all I could take. I was getting real grouchy because it was so hot. I was like, it's December, it shouldn't be this hot. I wanted to go for a nice cool bike ride. It didn't happen. So we're home now, and I think I'm gonna maybe start adding ornaments to the tree. So I thought I'd pop y'all on and let y'all maybe see how that goes down. We'll see. So I have decorated the tree. You may have gotten to see some of me dancing because I decided to turn on Christmas music, which is some of my favorite music, until the device that was playing it lost connectivity. So it's done for now. There are a couple ornaments that I feel like I want to alter or do something with, but for now it's okay. I may even make some more ornaments. Looks like I've knocked the star little cattywampus. I'll have to fix that, but I'll wait to climb up on a chair when Pat gets home. He's run to the hardware store. So I'll show you what I've got. It may change, but yeah, let's take a look. So yeah, you'll get a better look, I think, maybe when the sun's not coming straight in that window. Yeah, we'll take another look with the lights on, and when that'll give me a better idea of where the gaps are and where I need to fill in. I already see a couple spots, but like I said, I may make some, I may alter some. We'll see. We'll see. But that's done. On to the next thing, which is, I don't know, I should probably go check on my resin ornaments, and I kind of want to do Care December for today. So I may go watch that while I'm looking at some ornaments or something. I mean, looking at resin terms. Oh my gosh. I gotta get my brain in the right place. decoration shop. I don't know how long I worked on that. That really shouldn't have been that hard. It's all blue. It's all, but oh, sorry. Yeah, that was, I don't know, I'm covered in paint and gesso and I don't even know what else. So that was, yeah, that year December threw me. And I think it was the thread. I kept forgetting about I mean, I had used it anyway. Yeah, it took forever, but it's a Saturday and I was meant to play, so that's fine. Pat stopped me a couple times to help him with things, to make a decision about like how big I want the drawers underneath the oven and things like that. So yeah, but it's done. You should have seen it. I think I got some video. What do I want to do now? What have I not done that I want to do today? I'm gonna go check and make sure he doesn't need anything. I'm probably start working on this vlog. I don't know. It's so warm outside. It doesn't feel very Christmassy when it's so warm outside. So we've got the air conditioner down pretty low to keep the humidity out. So it's kind of chilly and that's nice. But when you step outside, it's like, no, I feel, yeah. Anyway, it's Alabama. It's what it does. I'm gonna work on this. I've got a pretty simple dinner tonight. I've got some Dr. Pepper pulled pork from the freezer pulled out that I'll make into a shepherd's pie with some corn and mashed potatoes and cheese, a little bit, tiny bit, and that should be pretty easy. Yeah, that should be an easy dinner. And I think we're gonna finish a show we've been watching. What have we been watching? The Last Thing He's Told Me. I think we've got one more episode of that, and then there's that, oh, I can't think of it. It's the new thing with Julia Roberts that just came out that I think we might watch today, though Pat is worried about me watching. I love apocalyptic, end of the world, dystopian type movies and stuff, but I also am very neurotic. So today when the internet was having problems and what else was having problems, the radio station was having problems, I was like, oh no, maybe the world's coming to an end. And he's like, maybe we shouldn't watch that movie tonight. So it's not very Christmassy, so maybe we'll put on a Muppet Christmas Carol. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Have some eggnog and watch Muppet Christmas Carol. Could be under the glow of the Christmas tree. So none of the other decorations are like assembled in places yet because I've got stuff all over the table. And I've got a couple Christmas presents that I kind of want to get into the program for the laser cutter and start programming. Pat was going to help me, but I'm tempted to just go ahead and do it myself. But we'll see. We'll see. All right. That may be it. I may give you a couple glimpses of how we finish up the evening, but yeah. Oh, I also been working on trying to get the ornament that I broke yesterday glued back together. He's still missing a hand that I've got to get on there, but that was persnickety. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully Mickey is okay. He's definitely got E6000 all over him. I'll talk to you later. I think now he's got blue paint on him. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. I will see y'all. And I can't believe we just finished out the first double digit vlog for December for Vlogmas. I thought I was done with the vlogging today, but then Pat finished that drawer and I had to show you all the work he did. I don't know how that video came out because it was really hard to do one hand, but he had me go ahead and load it up so we could test out the, not hinges, the drawer pulls, no, drawer slides, hey, something like that. But he had me load it up with the things we were going to put in it, which is a lot of little appliances, Instant Pot, toaster, crock pot, blender. So those things went in it. And yeah, it did great, as you saw. And then the tree looks beautiful lit up. So I'm really happy. I'm thinking about making some ornaments out of the tags maybe that Nina sent me. These that I got yesterday, and maybe make some mushrooms ones because I don't have any mushroom ornaments, which is cray. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I don't think I'm gonna have to cook dinner tonight. I do need to defrost the stuff for the night after, but I think we're gonna go get Mexican tonight, so that will be super fun. I may check on a video of that as well to close this out, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas.